Assalamualaikum guys. Thank you so much for giving so much of love for my last video on 3D printing. 3D printing was one of the interesting one. Yes, if you haven't watched that video, please do check out the video at the I button present here. But in this video, we are going to learn about the derivation of equations of uniformly accelerated motion. We will try to derive three equations of kinematics. This concept is not only there in 9th class CBSE as a basic and 9th class state syllabus, but also covered as the 11th class basic concept. So do check out this video because this is going to be interesting again. Thank you so much. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So guys, welcome back. As I was talking about the uniformly accelerated motion equation, here these all equations referring to the body which is always moving in a constant acceleration. These equations will only work for the body which is having the equal rate of increase or decrease in the velocity. Let's have a look at these equations. These equations are velocity time relation, position time relation, and position velocity relation. So let's now solve position velocity equation. Alright, to solve position velocity equation in the simplest and the shortest form, we must consider this equation as a reference to solve the third one. Right? Let's take it as a reference. What I'll do is I'll copy this thing here. Okay, so let me do that. So come back. Position and velocity relation, and that the formula is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Right? Good. Now let's solve it. The equation we took for the reference is s is equals to ut plus half at square. I will write s equals to ut plus half t into v minus u. Okay. So here, if you look at this and closely assess, we need in the equation, we need s, there is s is here. Okay, good. We need u. Okay, u is available here. We need v is also available here. But what we don't need is time. In our equation, we don't have time. So we don't have to take this time here. Let's remove that time. To remove that time, we can use our mother formula. You can use the basic and important formula of acceleration. A is equals to v minus u by t. Here, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन की मदद से t को उधर भेजते हैं, a को इधर लाएंगे, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, t इधर आ गया और बच गया v माइनस u. और नीचे कौन है? एक्सीलरेशन. हमारे पास टाइम क्या? वैल्यू आ गया, t इज इक्वल्स टू v माइनस u. क्यों? क्योंकि हम ये इक्वेशन में t नहीं चाहते थे. हमें जो इक्वेशन चाहिए उसमें t नहीं है, इसलिए जो रेफरेंस के तौर पर हमने इक्वेशन लिया था उसमें से हम t निकाल देंगे. Let's now substitute this t in this equation as we don't want t in our formula. So we'll eliminate t. हम क्या करेंगे? t की जगह v minus u by a लिख देंगे और इस फॉर्मूले को हमारा aim वाला यानी position velocity formula equation बना देंगे. First, if you look at here, s equals to ut plus half t into v minus u is available. हम t इसमें से कॉमन ले लेंगे. t जब आप कॉमन ले लोगे तो बचता जो है वो है u plus half into v minus u. Okay, now what is t we took? S is equals to v minus u by a bracket u plus half v minus u. So before solving or before multiplying this v minus u by a inside, हम अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करने से पहले अंदर की चीज को हाफ को v से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं, तो हमें मिलता है u प्लस हाफ v माइनस हाफ u. हाफ इंटू v, हाफ v, हाफ इंटू u, हाफ u. So, जैसे कि मैं कह रहा था कि s इज इक्वल्स टू v माइनस u a वैसे ही रखेंगे, u और यहाँ पर अगर टर्म्स में आप पूरा देखोगे ब्रैकेट में आपको हाफ यू अलग से मिलेगा, u माइनस हाफ यू यानी 1u माइनस 1 हाफ यू इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ यू। कितना सिंपल है, एलसीएम बगैर करे कि आप सोच सकते हो। विद द सेंस वी कैन से दैट 1u minus half u, 1 chocolate minus half chocolate gives you a half chocolate. So 1u minus half u will give you a half u. So plus half u as the u sign is plus, right? So s is equals to, I will write v minus u by a, and inside the bracket we have already, which is 1 by 2v. Let's write it as v by 2, and u minus half u is half u, right? Half u is u by 2. But remember, since we have subtracted plus u minus half u, the sign will become plus. Do not copy this sign mistakenly. So now let's go to the calculation in the simplest way. The denominator is having the common number, which is 2. So I will just keep the common number, and the numerator will be again u plus v plus u. So it is s is equals to, what is remaining here? V minus u by, what is there down? A. And inside the bracket it is v plus u by, what is down, what you must write? 2, right? So let's multiply this term by this term. If you multiply a plus b into a minus b, you know the formula which is famous. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So if v plus u into v minus u will be v square minus u square. So I will write s is equals to v square minus u square, and you can simply multiply the denominators too. It is 2a. So if you now look at this formula, we have got the formula. Look at the formula. We have vu2as, and here also we have vu2as. Let's just arrange it properly. Okay, multiply with the cross multiplication. 2a into s will give you 2as. So let me write this answer here. Since we are running out of space, I will write it. 2a goes that side, it becomes 2as, and which is again equals to v square minus u square. Yes, we got the answer. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. हमें मिल गया है डेरिवेशन, पोजीशन एंड वेलोसिटी का। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। उम्मीद करता हूँ ये वीडियो आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा। ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस के लिए साइंस लेक्चर्स 9th to 12th और सीबीएसई स्टेट के लेक्चर्स, इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स आरसी प्लेन के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा। लाइक करना तो बनता है, बेल आइकन दबाए बिना जाना नहीं। That's it for today's class. Stay tuned to my channel Ambitious AB.